Hello mga ka-PLC! In this video, I will show you how to create the ladder programming using a sequence of the traffic light and how to use the OMRON software. That is the CX Programmer version 9.5. With the function of Work Online Simulator, we can test run the program without PLC. Okay, before writing the PLC program, the first step is to define the sequence. Example, this traffic light sequence, this traffic light, see? This kind of structural text flow programming. Let's read this first. When you turn off the switch, so the all output is off. But when you turn on the switch, the red lamp is off, the yellow lamp is off, the green lamp is on, and also the timer 1 is on. Then after 10 seconds, the timer 1 output will be activated. Then the red lamp is off, the yellow lamp is on, the green lamp is off, timer 2 is on. Then after 3 seconds, if the timer 2 output activated, the red lamp is on, the yellow lamp is off, green lamp is off, timer 3 is on. And then after 10 seconds, the timer 3 output activated, it's back to the first condition. Red lamp is off, yellow lamp is off, and so on, so on. This is the continuous loop. Then after if you turn off the switch, the output will be off. Okay? How about the timing chart? Let's try. I'll show you the timing chart of the traffic light. So it's easy to understand. It's a basic. Okay, let's try this color coding. The green is on, off is red, timer output is yellow. First example, the switch is off, so the rest of the output is off. When you turn on the switch, the green lamp is on, the timer 1 is on, then after 10 seconds, the yellow lamp is on, and also the timer 2 is on, so the rest is off. Then after 3 seconds, the timer for output activated, so the green lamp is on, the green lamp is off, the yellow lamp is off, and the red lamp is on, timer 3 is on. Then after 10 seconds of the timer 3 activated, it will reset the timer also, and it will switch back to the number 2. Then we will continuously loop this for the program. Okay, that's first step. You know the sequence flow. Then the second one is so what PLC should we use? Example, we use a CP1E of OMRON PLC. It's a basic compact PLC with a built-in digital I/O, digital inputs outputs. As you can see, it has a given channel of the hardware. Example, this is a 0 channel with 12 bits, so 0 to 11. So we can use the 0-bit 00 address to 0-bit 11. For the 1 channel, it's only a 6 bits. 1 bit 00 and 1 bit 05. So the output address is start to the 100 channel with 8 bits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 100 bit 00 to 100 bit 07. Then 101 with 4 bits, 0 to 1, 2, 3. 101 to 133. So we have a PLC example of CP1. So the next one is the PLC address assignment. So our sequence have a switch or the start button, start push button. We assign to the 0 bit 00. For the output, the green lamp is 100 bit 00, yellow lamp is 100 bit 01, 100 bit 02 for the red lamp, and we will use the timers, 3 timers. The address is T001, T002, T003. Okay? So before we open the CX programmer, let's open the CX programmer. This is the icon. Okay? Let's create the project file. Okay, go to the file, new, then device name. So what's the name of the project? Just traffic light example. Device type is your CP1 series. It's a CP1E. CP1E. So we use the type of N30. N30 meaning is you have 18 inputs and 12 outputs. Okay? So we use N30 series. Go to the CX programmer. For the device type CP1E. Settings is CPU type is N30. That's a CPU type. The network type is it's okay, it's a USB because we are using the work online simulator. Okay. So we already created the project. So we have a name of traffic light, traffic example. Oh, I forgot the light. Okay. Then, but before that, so I will show you. So we show you the shortcut key for the programming. Where? Here. Take note of these. For the input item, if you're inserting the normally open contact, just type C. Normally close contact, just type X or slash. Coil is O. Instruction is I. Instruction is like a timers, counter, or the other function. Force on is we will force to trigger the contact. Just shortcut key is Control plus J. You force up, Control plus K. Force unlock, Control plus L. Then the work online simulator shortcut is Control plus Shift plus W. Okay, so we can easily type or insert the inputs and the outputs. Okay, let's create the program. Go to the CX programmer. Okay, we already created the project file. On this, we are here in the section 1. We can rename it, right click, just name it traffic light. So, traffic light. So this end is already just automatic. We have an end for the program. Okay, let's base on the traffic light timing chart. So first, if the switch is off, the rest is off. When the switch is on, the green and timer 1 will be on. Okay, let's try this. Just follow me. So if your first time, this is what you call the rung. Rung 1, rung 0, rung 1. Okay, I will put in the contact now. Okay, highlight this. just type C, or contact, normally contact C. Just type C, 0 bit 00. Why bit 0 bit 00? Because we assign the PLC address of the switch. This is a switch 0 bit 00. And the green lamp is 100 bit 00. Then edit comment is a switch. Yeah, the switch. And then put the line. So this line, I can create the line, just hold the control and arrow. Control arrow. Okay, just a shortcut of the line. So that's important. Then we have to insert the green lamp and the timer is on. Meaning, so we put the coil. Just press O. New coil. Shortcut key is O. Then our address is 100 bit 00 for green lamp. Just put the comment green lamp. And then the timer 1 is on. We can parallel this timer. So just line, put a line, control arrow, timer. The timer shortcut key is instruction. That is I. Just type I. So TIM, just put TIM space the timer number 1 or 0001 is the same. Then space the set value, hashtag, you put hashtag because it's a BCD type. We need the 10 seconds time. Set value is 100. Why 100? I will explain later. Oh, our instruction is horizontal. I will show you the vertical instruction. So you can see the description. Okay, description of this timer. Okay, this instruction, if your first time to use this, I will explain this. This TIM is 100 ms timer, BCD type. BCD, so it's 0 to 999. Then the next one, column is timer number. So we have a range of timers of, here's example of end delay timer. This is instruction. This is a set value. Instruction is timer, TIM 100 ms timer. Then timer number, you put the timer number with the range of T0, start at 0 to T4090. So we have a 4090 timer in the PLC. And the set value, you can insert, example, this is 5 seconds. 50 is times 100 ms is equal to 5000 ms. It's equivalent to 5 seconds. Set value range is up to 0 to 999, meaning it's a 999.9 seconds. Okay? So when the timer reach the set value, the timer 1 will be triggered or activate, and the coil also activate. Okay, let's back to the CX programmer. The next one, we're done to the timer 1. And next is the timer 1 output. What will happen? If the timer 1 is activated, the green lamp is off. The green lamp is off. The yellow lamp is on, and also the timer 2 is on. So timer 1. Let's move to the next rung, okay? Next rung. Contact type C, just T001 or T1. It's automatic. We can put this, just enter, can put the comment timer 1. Okay? The sequence says yellow lamp is on, timer 2 is on. So control arrow, put the line, type O, coil, 100 bit 01. This is the yellow lamp. And we put the next. If the timer 1 is on, the yellow lamp is on. And also, the timer 2 is on. So let's parallel this timer. Put an arrow, type I for instruction, TIM space timer 2 or 2 space the set value. We just need 3 seconds, so just type 30 #30. Edit comment of T2, so let's put the timer 2. Enter. Then what happened if the timer 1 is on? So the grid lamp is off. And the rest is, the red lamp is off. So we need to switch off the green after the timer 1. So if the timer 1 is triggered, we need to switch off the green lamp. So we have to interlock this. So normally close off timer 1. Just type X T001. Enter, enter. Yeah, nice. Timer 1 is on. So the 100 or the green lamp is off. Then the next one, so the red lamp is off. So after the timer, after 3 seconds, timer 2 is on. The red lamp is off. The red lamp is on. And the timer 3. So we can follow this pattern. Timer 2. I'll put the next rung. Okay? Type C for the contact. T0202. Enter. Enter. Then control arrow. Forward. Then for the red lamp is 100 bit 02. Red lamp. Just type red lamp. Okay. Then the pattern is timer 2. Parallel the timer 2. The timer 3. Just put the I. Type I for the instruction. Timer 3. TIMM space 3 space hashtag. We need is 10 seconds. Hashtag 100. Okay. Hashtag 100. But so after timer 2 is activate, the yellow lamp will be off. Okay. So we need to off the yellow after the timer 2. So follow the pattern, timer 2, normally close, timer 2, 002, timer 2, enter, enter. And then what's next? So the green lamp is off. And then after 10 seconds, timer 3 is reset the sequence. So we have to reset the timer. So meaning, if we reset the timer, the output is also reset because it's connected into series. We have to reset. Let's check the program. We can use the timer 3 to reset the timer 1. Example, timer 1 or timer 2, timer 3. But the main contact is the timer 1. So we can use the timer 3 to the timer 1. Contact T3. Oh, normally close. If you type normally open, you can highlight this to switch to close. Just press X, 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 X. So you can open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay? So we need to normally close this. Are we done? Timer 3. So if we reset the timer 1, so it will be off. The timer 2 is also off. The timer 2 is off. So also the timer 3 is off. I think we're done. Okay? Let's try to run this program. Work online simulator. Simulation. Work online simulator. Just click the work online simulator. Let's wait the CX simulator debugging. Yes, okay, we're done. If you see the green light color, you're already in a work online simulator. Let's start the program. So I will switch this on to turn on. I will force on. Shortcut key is Ctrl J. Okay, Ctrl J or right click, force on. So the shortcut is Ctrl J. Ctrl J. So as you can see, the green lamp is on. The timer is running. After 10 seconds, timer 1 is on. Yellow lamp is on. The green lamp is off. Timer 2 is on. The red lamp is on. Then the timer 3 is on. Oh, it's continuous looping. As you can see, green, yellow, red. Let's zoom out. Green. After 10 seconds, it's a yellow. So off, yeah. Timer 2 is on. And the red lamp is on. Timer 3. Oh, it's working now. We're done. Now, I will show you the full display. It's a technique to use a vertical instruction. I will turn off offline. Then just tool option. Show output instruction horizontal. I just check this. Nice. So your instruction in horizontal display. So we can easily we can easily check the program if it is long. Okay, I will run again. Work online simulator. Okay, close this. I will turn on Ctrl J. Start running. Green lamp. Timer 1. After timer 1. Yellow. Timer 2. The red lamp. The timer 3. After 10 seconds, it will reset your sequence. Then back to the green and so on, red lamp, so on and so on. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe for more updates. I will create more tutorial of the basic one. Thank you very much, mga ka-PLC dyan. Turn up. And we're done. Thank you very much.